Hi, I'm Sarah Walston, and I am here to share some tips with you about teaching the elements of music to children because they exist in our everyday lives and it's just something great for them to learn. And today I'm going to start with the idea of dynamics. Hi, children. It's Miss Sarah. How are you? Today we are going to learn a new word, and it's called dynamics, and it has to do with music. Now, how many of you out there love music? Because I know I do. Raise your hand. Yes, music's the best. Well, how many of you know the word dynamics? Not so many. But the good thing is I'm going to teach you today. Dynamics have to do with how loud and how soft a song can be, or a piece of music. Now, I'm not talking about soft like my shirt is soft, something like that. I'm talking about quiet voices. Now, I can sing very loud. And today I'm going to use this green color to sing loud, to show me when it's time to sing loud. And I'm going to sing. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Goodness gracious, that might have been a little too loud. Another dynamic level is, we already mentioned it, soft. And I'm going to use red to show us soft. Have you ever been in a car and you look up and you see the red light and the yellow light and the green light? Well, that's kind of like what we're talking about now. You know that green means go, it's loud. And the red means stop and go very quiet. So that's what we're going to do. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Now, somewhere in the middle of loud and soft is medium. And for us, that is going to be yellow. And we will sing like this. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. I wonder how many of you out there have been listening and watching very carefully so far. So I'm going to test those listening ears, and I'm going to test those watching eyes and see what you've learned so far. Sing along with me on the itsy bitsy spider. And I want you to sing it softly. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. You got it! You're too good. Now, let's see. Let's try this one. Ready? We're going to sing it very loud. You got it! The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. That was something else. And last but not least, we have medium, somewhere in the middle. So let's sing together. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Wow, you did such a great job today, and I knew you could. So let's review one more time. Let me hear it. In the middle we have medium. Red, we have soft, very soft and quiet. Green, we've got loud. So we now know 3 dynamics: soft, medium, loud. And that's going to make our singing a whole lot more fun from now on. If you are still interested in learning more about dynamics, click on the link below, and I'm going to show you how to make instruments from things you find in your home. Bye!